Mula sa School of Economics at Alianza, ako si RJ Mercado, your incumbent USC Counselor, now your USC Chairperson. Currently, I'm taking up my Master's in Economics and I'm actually under a scholarship dito sa aming school, sa School of Economics. No? And happily, kahit busy tayo sa ating gender committee and syempre sa University Student Council, we were able to maintain the grades necessary, yung minimum grades no, para ma-retain yung scholarship natin. So, happy naman. Ayan. So, doon sa last na official na nilabas ng USC na attendance, 0 demerits tayo ever since nung, simula nung March, no, nung bakasyon pa. And actually, yung isang beses lang na naalala kong absent ako at excuse absence yun ay dahil sa aking college graduation. I think kung naging transparent man, it's very selective, no? Nalulungkot ako na dun lang sa issue ni Lem magaling lumabas yung attendance when in fact dapat regularly itong nilalabas. Kaya naman sa bagong USC gusto natin regular siya. Every after GA, release agad yung attendance. Every after GA, alam agad natin sino yung uma-attend at sino yung nagpa-participate. Of course, sa dahil kong crush sa stand-up at kaisa. Sa totoo lang. Siyempre si Heart Pino kasi siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na walang mali aminin kung sino ka and you could actually step up regardless of your sexual orientation or gender identity. At nagdodota kasama yung mga kaibigan kong high school. Pero syempre ako si Crystal Maiden.